In this video, you'll learn how to sell your Alpine NFT on the Binance platform. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully listed your NFT for sale and be ready to manage the proceeds from your transaction. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or launching the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Binance NFT Marketplace section. This area is specifically designed for trading NFTs. After accessing the marketplace, find the tab for your NFT profile or collections. This is where you will see all your owned NFTs. Next, scroll through your collection to locate the specific Alpine NFT you wish to sell. It is essential to ensure that this NFT is not locked or restricted, as such limitations can prevent you from listing it for sale. Additionally, take the time to review the marketplace selling rules to familiarize yourself with any specific requirements or guidelines that may apply. Completing this preparatory step is vital for a smooth selling process. Once you have confirmed that your Alpine NFT is eligible for sale, select it and look for the option labeled Sell. After clicking this option, you will be prompted to choose a sale type. You can either set a fixed price for your NFT or opt for an option format. Carefully enter your desired selling price, keeping in mind the current market trends. Before proceeding, review any platform fees that may apply to the sale to ensure you're fully aware of potential deductions from your earnings. As you continue, you may be asked to set a listing duration, which determines how long your NFT will be available for sale. Make sure to confirm all details, including price, sale type, and duration. Once you've verified that everything is correct, you can publish your listing. This action makes your Alpine NFT available for potential buyers in the marketplace. After listing your NFT, you can track its status from your marketplace dashboard. This feature allows you to monitor any activity related to your listing. Be patient as you wait for a buyer to complete the purchase. Once the sale is finalized, the funds will be credited to your account. It is important to review the transaction details for accuracy. You can then choose to withdraw or reinvest your proceeds as needed. Additionally, keep records of your transactions for future reference, as this can be useful for tracking your sales history. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.